How to delete your Frollo account. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can permanently delete your Frollo account in just a few simple steps. Before proceeding, remember, deleting your Frollo account will erase all your data, financial insights, and linked accounts. So here's how you can do it. First of all, launch open the Frollo app on your device. Once you're inside the home page of Frollo logged in, go to the upper right corner and tap the gear button. Now, inside the settings menu that pops up on the screen, go to the very bottom and under account ownership, you'll see delete account button, tap on that, and then click on I want to delete my account on the next page. Select any one region while you are trying to get rid of the platform and click on yes delete account to confirm. Now there is no going back, so make sure you are making a wise choice here. After clicking on yes delete account, you'll be able to delete your Frollo account right away. You'll be redirected to the login screen. All your personal and financial data will be removed from the Frollo server. So that is how you can easily delete your Frollo account in just a couple of minutes. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned till then.